Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to receive the crypto on the Binance app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of assets right here at the bottom corner. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the wallet option right here. Now select it. Now wait for a few seconds. And finally, here you can find the option of receive right here. Now tap on it. After tapping on it, tap on one of these options to receive the crypto. Then tap on to receive token via address, just like this. Now you can see the wallet address of your Binance app. Now tap on to one of the QRs of the wallet address, just like this. And then from by this QR, you can receive the crypto on the Binance app. If someone is going to scan to your QR code, they can simply send it to you and you can receive it. And that's it. This is how you can receive the crypto on the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.